around again. Okay, keep it like that. Okay, now you are live. It says you are live. Okay, flip it over. Flip it over. Hey, so what am I supposed to say? Hi, live streamers. Welcome back to Meller Marketing. My son was making fun of me, you guys.
I don't know. People watch you.
People are going to be watching me. You wait. He's making fun of me, you guys, right now.
They're all bots.
My son is helping me. I just got a new webcam holder. Where is there a little manual or anything that came with it?
I'm the manual. I'm the manual. So no, basically,
where's the thing that came with it?
Who's calling you?
That's not me. My phone's right here.
Seriously?
All right, I'm live. Come here. Come over here. So my son's helping me out, and he thinks that nobody watches me at all.
Absolutely.
So you
Why
guys,
do you need a ring light if you already have?
It came with it. It was just something that came with it. I wanted to get this because I wanted to get the webcam closer to the thing.
Okay. How many people we got watching?
Well, let me see. Let me go on LinkedIn here. If you guys are watching, can you like say hi? Because he doesn't think I'm a big deal at all, and he's not at all impressed with me. All right, let's see. Let's go on my profile here. Let me go on LinkedIn. All right, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm writing a book right now.
You're writing a book.
Yeah.
Certified author.
It's going to be a cool book. Ooh. Look at this. Got my new webcam holder. My son is helping me. So there's the live. We got 6 people watching this right now.
6 people.
Okay, wait a minute. I got to pull up the stream so we can actually see it. I got to prove to him this is actually live because he doesn't believe me.
Ooh.
See, we got 8 people watching right now.
Who is that?
You're watching. You got to leave a comment so he knows what's going on
9
here.
people. Look at you. Are a rock star.
Right? 6. Oh, it says 6 total views, but 7 people watching.
I think you'd be better off just using this as a phone holder because that is closer like to you than this is.
But I want to try to get this where I can like bring it. Can't you bring it further closer to me?
Do that.
Well, because of where it's at, though. What if you remove the clip from here?
Then where are you going to put it?
I don't know.
Well,
I'm trying to figure this out. I can't clip it. Can I clip it on the top of my laptop? I could clip it on the side of my laptop, right?
Somebody has ideas.
Try to clip it on the side of my laptop. Will that work?
Yeah.
We're testing things out, you guys. Anybody's watching live is going like, what is going on? We're testing things out.
Little turbulence there.
Little turbulence. Okay, there we go. There, now I can do it like that, right?
Oh.
And then I can have this closer like this. How do I adjust that, though?
It's not.
Oh, and that's going to hurt my laptop, isn't it?
It's going to break your screen.
Is it? Is it too tight?
It might. It might.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if this is working. I don't see any comments. People are saying hi. So we have LinkedIn user. Hi, LinkedIn user. I can't see who you are because your privacy settings.
Did you get a return refund thingy on this? Because I think you should put that into use.
I should return it and get another one? I asked you to help me find one. You wouldn't help me find one. Anthony says, is that a ring light? Let's show Anthony.
It is a ring light. It's a very bad ring light.
Can we take this off or no?
Hold on, let's
This is the ring light.
This is the ring light.
It's a little ring light. It's supposed to be for like people that are doing like
very
Instagram tiny makeup and small stuff, right? Yeah. But it was like a $30.
You already have like these big.
I know I have the big things, but but this is like amber. Look at the amber tone of that. So put the white ones on. Look at the amber tone compared to the white tone.
I have an idea.
You're making people dizzy. They're all here. What's going on? LinkedIn's gonna kick me. Oh my gosh. You're gonna hurt. You're gonna break it. Don't do that. Can you spin it without spinning? Let me hold the camera. While you're doing this. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry for the dizziness for anybody watching. We're trying to. What are you doing? Where's that going on? That's for the phone holder. Smart guy. That's not gonna work.
No more.
Oh my goodness.
No. I'm older and I'm wiser.
Thanks for watching.
Older and I'm wiser.
Isn't this entertaining?
Here, hold this for a second so you're.
You should hear him, Mr. Wise Guy, helping me set up in here. He thinks he knows everything. So yeah, I've got like the big box light. Is that what it's called? God. Box light. I've got 2 of them. There's the other box light over here. And here's this one right here. And I just got a new thing in the mail from Amazon. And my son started accusing me of not being what did you say?
You should have told me to just look for one for you.
He didn't like what I bought, and he was making fun of me a lot.
Well, I like it. It's just the execution was not very good.
It's not the execution. So let me show you guys what I bought. I went on Amazon. I'm going to pull up the Amazon link from what I just bought.
Everybody look at Brenda Mel. She's sideways.
It's like sideways right. All right, so where can I go? I can go into my Amazon order history, right? Yeah. Let's see, accounts and lists, returns and orders.
See how much money they scammed out of you.
See what happens when you're watching LinkedIn after 7 o'clock at night?
LinkedIn After Dark.
This is only $19.99.
Meller Marketing After Dark. Ooh.
Only $19.99. So let me show you the screen because he's still playing with that. So I'll show the screen.
Giving everybody a migraine right now.
This is what I bought. this right here. Webcam light stand for live stream, high live streamers, right?
Yeah, right,
Webcam, desk mount, and cell phone holder with gooseneck arm clamp. That's what I wanted to get, a gooseneck arm
It's
clamp.
a very tiny, tiny,
and then
tiny
where's the little
gooseneck.
light thing that I can adjust the different type of? So is it not long enough? Do you think I should get a longer one?
Yes.
That would be the
a lot
plan?
longer.
Get a longer one.
A lot longer. I'll actually find one for you.
Anthony says they just heard about those today and they came highly recommended. See, Anthony's being more polite.
Anthony, I like you, Anthony. You sound like a good guy.
Anthony is a good guy. What is right side up, sideways, upside down? Gregory, we are testing out a new webcam holder. My teenage son is helping me out and he's making fun of me. And he's trying to get things set up. What I'm trying to do is get a webcam holder. Like right now I have a tripod. And the tripod is like, it's on a tripod, like behind my desk. And I have the webcam, which is an external webcam affixed to the top of it. And it doesn't get very close. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a way I can get a little bit more closer up. So I bought this gooseneck thing that's supposed to clip on the side of your computer, but that's too low.
How is that too low?
Because I want to have it at eye level. You're supposed to have it at eye level.
It's about eye level.
Yeah, right now when I'm kneeling on the ground right now. I'm not.
Sit in your chair. Sit in your chair.
I mean, technically, I could adjust my desk. I don't want to move my chair because I'm doing the puzzle right now.
So you can adjust the desk.
Okay, I can adjust the desk. But still, it's not. It's at an angle. It's not flat.
No, we're gonna move this over here temporarily. Just to.
So what are we doing here? We're raising it up.
But you got a new chair.
Okay,
do you have something long?
Like, what do you mean? Do I have something long?
Yeah, for measuring it. Okay. Here, sit.
Well, I don't want to sit right now. I'm
just sit temporary, because like this is how you're gonna be sitting, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so lower it a little bit.
All right. It's not very. Oh, you don't have the light on right now at all, though.
No.
So that's right. Let's see. People are still watching this. I can't tell how many views there are though, because the streamer doesn't tell us how many views. Okay, can you play with the different lighting? Because I want to watch the playback. I'm really just doing this for me. I'm not really trying to show off on the new webcam thing. All right, so I'm going to stop this, and then I'm going to go back into StreamYard. Okay, so where's the little clicky thing for the lights? Huh? Like, how can I adjust the lighting settings? Where's it at? Whoops.
Why does it keep turning off?
Because you got to lock it into place. Okay, where's the clicky thing?
No, why does the light keep turning off?
I don't know. Okay, so this is, how many settings are there?
Just hit that.
Okay, so this is like an amber tone. Yeah. That's like a white tone. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of like what I have right now. It's like way too bright. Angelic.
Are these not?
This is more of like a blue tone, right?
Don't have settings on them?
No, that's just one. So the other thing is I could get a new light for that.
Or you can just. I
like the amber tone though. It's more natural.
Yeah.
So I could buy.
That's why I use orange when I'm talking to people, because it looks better.
So I could buy new bulbs for that one, right?
Either bulbs, or is it LED, or is it a bulb? Incandescent.
I think it's a bulb. I don't know. Is it LED? You want to open it up and look at it? It's like when I go to the mechanic and they say, is it a V6 or a V8?
It is. Okay.
What is it?
Incandescent.
Incandescent. So I can just buy new bulbs for that, right?
Buy orange bulbs.
All right. So that's it.
Or you can paint them orange or dip them in orange paint.
You being serious?
Yeah, cheaper.
Are you serious? Yes. Why would I dip it in orange paint?
So you don't have to buy a new one?
Where am I going to get orange
paint?
You
have a ring light right there.
I know, but that one's broken. That one doesn't work very well.
Is it actually?
All right. All right. So that was it. Thanks for joining us for the test. You want to say anything else to people?
Hi. That's it. Okay.
That's it. All right, thanks. All right, bye. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cool. Thanks for watching, live streamers. That's what my son said I would say when I got on the phone. That's it.
Is the tripod broken?
I don't know. All right, guys. Bye. Have a good night, everybody.